I have a 2014 Chevy Sparks. Customer complaint that the vehicle idles erratic and it shuts off on him. During the diagnosis process, I noticed that the oxygen sensor, the bank 1 sensor 1, would function erratically, would be producing the proper voltage, and then all of a sudden it would just drop out. I verified that the circuit was intact. There was definitely circuit integrity. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the oxygen sensors. The primary one on bank 1 sensor 1 is connected right here. It goes down there. And the second one, or the bank 1 sensor 2, which is in the rear, that one is just flatlined. It does not respond at all. So we're gonna take care of that for that customer. Also had an issue with the cooling system. The heated thermostat is not functioning well. Plus it also has a coolant leak as well. Ended up finding out that the heater hose, which is this bad boy right here, that one is not working as well. There is a hole in it, so it's leaking coolant. So I did do what's it called, directional or bi-directional test on the heated thermostat. Everything's working fine. The thermostat is unfortunately not working properly. There's excessive resistance within the coil, so that will have to be replaced as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it and make it happen. Alright, so let's get to removing these heater hoses, or the heater hose that's leaking. So this is the one that was bad. So you can see how bulged up it is in this area, and this is where the hole was, around this area right here. So let's take a closer look at the problem area on this heater hose. As you can see right there, there is a problem. All right, so now that we removed the heater hose, we're going to move forward and remove the actual thermostat. Begin to disconnect it. Move the radiator hose. We just got done with the Spark 2014. Replaced the O2 sensors, replaced the heated thermostat, a heater hose. Everything's running perfectly. Fuel trims got reset. Reset the heater. Did a heater relearn as well on the O2 sensors. This little beast is running and purring like a little kitten. The customer will be very satisfied.